In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage advanced security settings in Google Chrome on Windows, step by step, so you can choose the right level of protection for your browsing experience. If you want to keep your browser safer from dangerous websites, downloads, extensions, and even password breaches, this is a simple setting that's worth checking today. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains Chrome's main settings and tools. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page in a new tab. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome keeps the controls for browsing safety, cookies, site permissions, and protection features. Now click Security. This is the page where you can manage Chrome's safe browsing options and decide how much protection you want while using the internet. Under the Safe Browsing section, you'll see three different choices: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and No Protection. Let's break each one down so you can decide what's best for you. Enhanced Protection gives you the highest level of security. It offers faster detection of dangerous websites and downloads, and it can warn you about password breaches. If you want the most proactive protection possible, this is the strongest option. It's especially useful if you browse a lot, open many different websites, or want extra alerts about threats before they become a problem. Standard Protection is the recommended option for most users. It protects you against known dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. If you want a balanced level of security without going too far into aggressive protection, this is usually the best choice for everyday browsing on Windows. No Protection, as the name suggests, disables safe browsing checks. This is not recommended because it removes an important layer of protection that helps keep you safe online. In most cases, you should avoid this option unless you have a very specific reason and fully understand the risks. To change your setting, simply click the radio button next to the safe browsing level you want to use. Chrome will save the change automatically, so there's no separate Save button to press. Once you select your preferred option, you're done. If you want the most secure experience, choose Enhanced Protection. If you want a good all-around setting for regular use, Standard Protection is the safest recommendation for most people. And if you ever see a warning or need to check what level is currently active, you can always come back to the same security page in Chrome settings. That's how to manage advanced security settings in Google Chrome on Windows. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in keeping your browsing safer. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows and Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.